Let's talk about some more treats and things that we give our rabbits so they stay healthy and they're thriving. So this video is going to be about some treats that is a particular brand, and some of them brands have some vitamins and things like that for your rabbit to keep them healthy. Now, the first thing that I wanted to start off with is the vitamin C in Oxbow. This is not the brand that we're talking about for this video, but I wanted to put this into it because it is a vitamin, and I didn't want to put it in with the treats because I wanted to do a treat and vitamin on a certain type of brand for this video. But I do want to tell you, I do give my rabbits this once, probably every couple of weeks. Sometimes, you know, it does say on the back what to give it to them. And on the back, it does say that you should give your rabbits by weight, 1 per day, if they're rabbits. And they also give rats and things like that. However, I don't give it to them every day because it can get pretty expensive with 12 rabbits. But I do give it to them at least once every couple of weeks. So that is something that we do for our rabbits. This brand is Oxbow brand, and it is the Nature Science, and it is vitamin C. So I wanted to tell you that I do that with this brand. Now let's talk about Selective Naturals. Now this brand here has many different varieties. Our rabbits absolutely love it. I love their product so far, and I'm excited to see and to tell you exactly what it is and to see how many people use this. If you use this brand and you are a bunny owner, let me know which ones you use. Do you use any of the ones that I'm going to tell you here, or is there another one that you found out that is different? Because I would like to see how many they have of this in the flavors. There are many different types and flavors in this brand, and the reason why I like this brand is this. If you look at their wonderful packaging, and then you can see on the side that you can see what you're buying, and then if you roll it over to the side, it does tell you that they're high in fiber. There is no sugar added to any of their product. They have no artificial colors. And then at the very bottom, they do put linseed in there. Linseed is great and healthy for their skin and coat. Just have the 4 here. And the one that I decided to pick up was the Meadow Loops. These were our Timothy hay and the thyme. And then I did get the Timothy hay and the apple, which I'm sure my rabbits are gonna love. And then I got the berry loops, and this is Timothy hay and cranberry. Cranberries are amazing for their bladder. And then I got the country loops, and this one is the carrot and the Timothy hay. And so what I do is I just put them all in a bag, and I just pick one and give it to them. So every rabbit is going to get a different flavor on a different day, because that's what I think is amazing to do for my rabbits. They have these type of treats here, but then they have these treats here that are for different types of issues that you may want to address in your rabbit. So one of the things that they do have available is, you know very well that your rabbit has very sensitive digestive tract, and this one focuses right on the digestive tract. Now this one does have chamomile, and it does also have peppermint in it to help with the digestive tract, with much other different ingredients. But again, they have all ingredients that are good and pure for your rabbit. Then they also have one that is vitamin C. Now what I wanted to point out to you is this one here and this one here. I used to use this for my rabbits, and it's by Oxbow, and I still will use it. But I also know that this one is here for me to use, so I can use both of them and see which one is better for my rabbits. This one here, you can get it cheaper at Chewy, but I got this at PetSmart, and I paid $9.99 for it at PetSmart. And then this one I paid $7.99. Again, this one here is a 4.2 ounces, and this one's a 3.5, so you're getting a little bit less in here. but still it is absolutely amazing. It is amazing. And this is for the urinary. And you know how much rabbit stinks and they smell with their urine, so this is going to be fantastic. This one has the cranberry, echinacea, vitamin C, and things like that. It also states that it is good for antioxidants, and it has the dandelion and cranberries, and it also has the vitamin C. So you have to look at it sometimes. So do you need all-time vitamin C? You don't need to give this to them too much, maybe once a month maybe, but you can give them this because it has a little bit of vitamin C in it for them. And the next one here is the skin and coat. They have the skin and coat. This one also has vitamin C, linseed, and different things like that to help with their coat. So when they're molting or when you just say, hey, they just need a pick-me-up, this is a good treat for them. I hope this video helps you find out the exact kind of treat and things that you want to give your rabbit. And maybe this will help you and your rabbit be a little bit more healthier on the digestive tract or the urinary care or the skin and coat or even the vitamin C. So they are going to be so excited because look, they are already looking at me because they hear the boxes. When they hear boxes or they hear bags, they know that treats are coming their way. So I hope this helped you figure out exactly what kind of treats you want to give your rabbit, or even if you want to give them stuff to make them feel a little bit better. So I hope that all helps you. I hope you guys have a fantastic rest of your day or night. And I am so excited to go give these to my rabbits. So I'm going to hop right over there and give it to them. As I say in every video at the end of my video, because it's the total truth, you guys are highly favored. You're highly blessed. And I will see you on the next video.